Welcome to MyBinding.com. This is the Rapid 106 electric stapler. It's a desk-mounted stapler best used for large productions. It uses two special staple sizes for best results, 66/8 and 66/6 staples. The table can staple booklets or adjust it into a standard flat position. When adjusting the table, make sure to turn the stapler off so it doesn't automatically staple during the changing process. Provided is a foot pedal for easy and quick stapling. Simply rotate the table into position for whichever method you need to use. Insert your booklet and push the pedal. Depending on the size of stack, adjust the impact control for different pressure levels. And to change the staples, open the clear cover and press on the blue lever. The staple tray should pop out a bit. Then pull it all the way and insert your staples. Twist and hold the stapling depth knobs and push the triggers to the required length. When using the flat table, pushing your stack against these will automatically staple the sheets. On the table are some common measurements for aligning projects. There are also some bottom paper gauges you can shift around. And some side ones that pull out pretty far from the bottom of the table. Lastly, with multiple staplers, you can daisy chain them together in the back for synchronized stapling. You can also find replacement stapling heads and a group stapling kit on our website.